shown in the figure, moving in a counterclockwise direction indicates that the vertices must be written in the equation below in the counterclockwise direction. This is the formula. Problem. In the Cartesian coordinates, the vertices of a triangle are defined by the following points. Vertices -2 and 0, 4 and 0, and 3 and 3. What is the area? In this case, we have to derive another equation from its original equation of a polygon. And this is the derived equation of a polygon. So where did we get it? We have to cross multiply the x sub 1 to y sub 2, x sub 2 to y sub 3, x sub 3 to y sub 1. And we have to cross multiply another in y sub 1 to x sub 2, y sub 2 to x sub 3, y sub 3 to x sub 1. Like this. Given. This is the x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, and x sub 3 and y sub 3. Solution. Hindi makasya. Mamaya na ulit. Solution. Pag minultiply natin ito lahat, ito ang kalalabasan. Zero plus 12 plus 0 equals 12. 0 plus 0 plus negative 6 is equal negative 6. 12 minus negative 6 equals 9 units squared. And this is the final answer.
Hey.
We'll discuss the distance formula of D equals square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Here are the example problem. Find the distance of the point 4 and 3 to point 5 and 1. First, you must write the given. X sub 2 equals 5. X sub 1 equals 4, then y sub 1, y sub 2 equals 1, y sub 1 equals 3. Yan. Second, you must write the formula. Then solution. X sub 2 is 5 minus x sub 1 plus y sub 2 is equals to 1 minus y sub 1 squared. 5 minus 4 equals to 1 squared. And wait, cut mo. And 1 minus 3 equals negative 2 squared. One squared is equals to 1 plus negative 2 squared is equals to 1. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. This is the final answer.